By the end of this video, you will know what Pancakeswap is, the various ways to earn extra tokens, how to connect your wallet, and how to buy and own its native token, Cake, as well as other tokens Pancakeswap subscribes to. Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange where you can swap crypto tokens without the need to open an account. It runs on Binance Smart Chain with much lower transaction costs than what you would find on the Ethereum or Bitcoin blockchain. Now, this is a great incentive for users who are trying to find ways to save money on fees when interacting with decentralized apps or DeFi. One such way is by using apps that work on the Binance Smart Chain instead, where the fees are considerably lower and transactions noticeably faster. This is one reason why Pancakeswap is growing so quickly in popularity amongst cryptocurrency enthusiasts. It has its own token, Cake, which at the making of this video was ranked number 28 on coinmarketcap.com. The Pancakeswap token, Cake, is a BEP20 token that was launched on the Binance Smart Chain in September of 2020. Pancakeswap isn't just a cryptocurrency exchange, but you can also trade, earn, and win extra Cake tokens. To get to the Pancakeswap website, just type in pancakeswap.finance. You have 3 different ways in which you can earn more Cake tokens on Pancakeswap. You can add your tokens to various liquidity pools. You can farm your LP tokens, as well as staking your Cake to earn rewards, not to mention trying your luck in the lotteries and the NFTs. To get started, you want to connect your wallet to Pancakeswap. You go to the top right, and there you see that button that says Connect. You click on it, and then select your wallet. And for me, my wallet is Metamask. As soon as I do that, you'll notice that my wallet address now appears at the top right. And then it shows me how much BNB I have available that I can now swap with any tokens that are available on Pancakeswap. In this case, I want to pick up some Cake. I can search for it, or I can scroll down, and here it is, Cake. Now, as soon as I do that, I'm not going to click on the maximum because I want to use all of my balance to purchase Cake. So it tells me the estimated amount of Cake I will receive, the minimum amount that I will receive. Now, this minimum amount will of course depend on the fees that are paid and other values like slippage. If we click on this button up here, we can decide how much slippage tolerance that we want for this transaction. It's defaulted to 0.8. And when you hover over the question mark, it tells you that your transaction will revert if the price changes unfavorably by more than the percentage that you select. So I'm going to select 1%. It also tells you that the transaction will also revert if it's pending for more than 20 minutes. So I'm going to leave that value. And if I'm pleased with all this information, I'll go ahead and swap. It tells me exactly what's going to happen. And if I'm pleased with that, I can click confirm. Once I've hit confirm, it's going to wait for me to confirm this transaction in my wallet. It also allows me to view my transaction on BscScan, which tells me it's been successful. And we can close this transaction. And so now I actually have 1.18 of cake on Pancakeswap. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.